managers with me now. Moderately bullish, Jonas Max Ferris, and short-term bear, Tai Young. Welcome to you both. Glad to have you on such an important day. Tai, as our short-term bear, why no bargain hunting today? If somebody wants to own a stock, this was a great day to pick it up.
Let me first say this. It warms my heart that the British people voted for independence today. They voted for freedom today, and it was a rebuke of socialism. And Prime Minister Cameron and Barack Obama, President Obama, have egg on their face as a result of it. Market's down more than 600 points for the day. And to go in and buy stocks here, to me, is kind of like trying to catch the proverbial falling knife. Sometimes you do it, but most of the time you get hurt.
All right, but in general, you'll agree that the U.S. is still the cleanest dirty shirt in the closet, right?
Oh, there's no question about it. We have the greatest markets in the world and the greatest currency in the world, and we saw that today when we saw the flight for safety. The dollar got very, very strong, as you pointed out, as we were about to come on here. Gold was up very, very large. There was a flight to structured products today as well. We noticed that. So yeah, it is the cleanest dirty shirt in the room, to use your vernacular there.
All right, Jonas, I want to bring you in because one of my guests earlier, I was participating in a few programs today, said, why is there such broad-based selling? The UK voted to leave the EU. The UK did not vote to leave planet Earth. There has to be something here that is worthy of an investor's time and attention.
Right, because it's not a rebuke of socialism, it's a rebuke of capitalism. If it was a rebuke of socialism, the stock market would have gone up, the pound wouldn't be at Miami Vice level, was what we saw today. It hit 1985 levels. Because basically, free flow of labor is something you want, and a labor union doesn't want wages to go down and doesn't want competition, but an actual profit-seeking investor who wants to own stock in companies in Europe wants labor costs lower, wants free flow. These things that they've been building for decades that hopefully won't continue to unwind. That's why all these other markets went down, is we don't know, is this going to end here? This is going to take a couple of years to unwind, but is Germany going to stop wanting to, carry Greece and all these other countries? Is the euro unwind? The whole area, if it goes all supernationalist, everyone's their own little country, bring back the lira, it's going to be a disaster for all these countries. Bring the lira up, because I was buying Italian stocks. I felt like I was the only person buying this market because most people are panicking right now.
Jonas, I take all of your points, and I think you made just a few successively that make all the sense in the world. The immigration question, I feel like there's a lot of businesses in the UK, they want to make decisions, they want autonomy, they don't want to check in with Brussels. So those are sort of normal bureaucratic concerns about red tape. And then on top of it, there are these social/economic concerns. Do you agree with that?
The red tape, like I was just driving in Europe last year, and you could just go from country to country with no red tape. The red tape was before all these countries got together to kind of be more like America, which has been a success model. I mean, what if California just left the union and became their own country? It wouldn't be good for the stock market or for profits, because the people who code there don't want competition coming in. It's absurd. Now, as far as, there is bureaucracy in Europe, sure, and there is socialism in Europe. And the UK is a stronger economy than most of the EU countries, especially these late joiners. But that doesn't mean going your own way. They've already gone their own way. They already have their own currency anyway. They already have their own central bank. They're not blatantly subsidizing Greece the way Germany certainly is why I brought that. I'm worried that they're going to want to step out.
No, I think that's fair. Some of the stronger members of the union, such as Germany, have had to pay, literally, for the weaker ones, such as Greece. Money managers, Jonas Max Ferris, Tai Young, thank you both for your thoughts, for your input.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.